Saya terima nikah Vidya Vijayafona binti Syahrizal untuk saya dengan mahar 12 gram emas tunai.
Here we are under the moonlight. I'm the one without a dry eye, 'cause you look amazing. I'm sorry for whatever I've caused. Before today I knew I felt lost, but now you're my lady. So take my hand now, see me, 'cause you made me into this man. I promise I'll treasure you, girl.